I'm not gonna waste your time. Do you know what is the thing that changed me to go from that little boy you saw on the thumbnail to me right now when I actually look good, but most importantly, I feel so great? Do you know what's the single thing that made me go through this transformation? Do you know what's the thing that caused this transformation? It's dopamine detox. I know you heard it a million fucking times. I don't care. Just keep on watching. You're gonna get value and you're actually gonna change your life like I did. So, what is the dopamine detox? For those who don't know, it's basically prioritizing your future by choosing what's hard right now, but it's gonna make your life better in the future. So, there are two terms that you should understand. The first term is instant gratification. That's doing something that feels good right now, but you know that over time it's gonna have a negative impact on your life. So, for example, that's scrolling. It feels great right now. You know, like you're scrolling on Instagram. It feels great. Swiping is great. You know, you have fun. But as soon as you do it, you feel like shit. And you know that in a few months' time, it's going to have a negative impact on you. Eating junk food feels great right now. It's pleasurable. It's tasty. But you know that in a few months' time, you're going to feel worse and your body is going to look worse and you're just going to be more ugly. You're doing something that feels good right now, but in a few months' time, or right after doing that activity, you're gonna feel like shit. Or playing video games, it feels amazing right now, but after you finish it, you just feel like shit. And in a few months' time, playing video games every single day is gonna have a negative impact on your life because you wasted a bunch of time and whatever. Delayed gratification is the second term, and that's the opposite of it. That's basically prioritizing your future by doing something that is hard right now, but in a few months' time, it's gonna have a positive impact, a super great impact on your life. So a common example is going to the gym. It feels hard right now. It's difficult, but in a few months' time, you're gonna feel amazing and grateful for that you did it because you're gonna have a better physique. You're gonna look better and feel better. Or eating healthy. You know that it's not as tasty, but in a few months' time, you're gonna feel better and gonna look better. Or working. Because, bro, I bet that a lot of you guys have something they're procrastinating on right now. That you want to do something, that you wanted to do something in the past few days, but you didn't. Well, that's also the delayed gratification when you do it, because it is difficult, but after you finish it, you're happy, and because you did it, it's no longer your stress. It no longer stresses you, and that's the beauty of a dopamine detox. It's basically prioritizing your future over your current self. It's basically doing something that's hard right now, but it's gonna make you feel amazing in a few weeks, few months time. And bro, like honestly, this term dopamine detox, like what it means, dopamine is a hormone that makes you feel motivated to do something. So for example, when you're on Instagram, you feel motivated to swipe, you feel motivated to scroll because it's fun. So that's why it's so addicting, because each time you, let's say, want to close it, you get motivated, you get dopamine to keep on scrolling. Dopamine is basically motivation. And this term, dopamine detox, it basically says that we're reducing dopamine, which is true because honestly, you probably heard this term a lot. It's called fried dopamine receptors. And that is true, like you get so much dopamine to the point where you're dull and where you don't even enjoy the normal stuff because your brain is so used to all the overstimulation that you literally don't even enjoy your life. Isn't it so sad? Like you have no motivation to live. That's what dopamine overload can do to you. So it's really important to go on this dopamine detox. So basically reduce the amount of dopamine you have. But guess what, bro? If you reduce the amount of dopamine you have, the dopamine receptors get more sensitive, which means that you're actually gonna enjoy the boring stuff like reading. Like, bro, today I read for an hour. I actually enjoyed it. And if I could, I would keep on reading, but I had other stuff to do. So, bro, like that's such a beautiful thing. Imagine that you can read for 2 hours without getting bored and actually feeling like it's fun. And that's what you want, right? The best case scenario of your life, let's say in 1 month's time, is that you're gonna feel motivated to read. Is that you're gonna actually enjoy reading, meditating, working, going to the gym, because it's actually fun. And that's what dopamine detox causes you, is that you reduce the amount of overall dopamine, which, like from scrolling, from video games, you get a shit ton of it. You reduce the amount of that and you do the things that are harder and give you less dopamine. That's why they're harder. And then you're more sensitive to that dopamine. So you actually enjoy what you're doing, bro. You enjoy staring at the wall for 10 minutes. You're actually gonna enjoy it, bro. Trust me. Trust me. Yeah, like so in theory it should be the opposite. You're basically making your life more fun by not scrolling, by not playing video games, not watching porn, not eating junk food. You're literally making your life more fun. It's gonna take time, let's say a few weeks, but then it's literally gonna be life changing. But it's so crazy that I don't understand like why aren't people doing this? Like why aren't people meditating? Like do you hate your life? Are you sadistic that you don't meditate, that you don't journal, that you don't read? You know, like and okay, and okay, I understand it. It's so difficult to get rid of all those social media addictions, all those junk food addictions, because it's tasty, because it's fun, it's great, it's enjoyable. But as soon as you'll be able to as soon as you'll be able to detach yourself from all those instant gratifications, from those things that are fun right now, but in a few weeks' time, few months' time, are gonna have a detrimental impact on your life, is the moment where you're actually gonna feel fulfilled, when you're actually gonna feel great. When you prioritize delayed gratification is when your life is gonna change. And so, okay, bro, like, what is delayed gratification? You said that it's prioritizing your future self. Okay, Simon, but like, what does that mean? Like, what should I do? Should I go to the gym 16 hours per day? No, of course not. So, one important thing, bro, is to find a role model. Find someone you're inspired by. Find someone you can actually learn from, like a mentor or someone, and you're literally gonna copy what he says. So if he tells you to read for 2 hours per day, you're gonna read for 2 hours per day. If he tells you to work out 4 times per week, you're gonna work out 4 times per week. If he tells you to, I don't know, have this routine, you're gonna have this routine. You're gonna try it, and that's basically what you want. Because like right now, you're like let's be honest, you're a loser. And if you're genuinely inspired by someone, and you want to get more like him, you want to get the transformation that he did, then for sure, like, then literally, bro, like, try what he says, actually implement it. And who should this role model be? Now, ideally, of course, that would be me, but I completely understand if that won't be me. If not, okay, then find someone else. For me, it was Hamza and Andrew Tate. For you, it can be me, or it can be someone random, I don't know, some random self-improvement guru online that I don't know, you're gonna find. And hopefully he changes you. But bro, like, the most important part of this video is not finding a role model, is not setting a routine, is not learning some shit. It's, do you know what's the most important part that 99% of people don't do? It's taking action. Most people don't do this, bro. It's so fucking stupid. Like, I don't understand, like, why aren't you just taking action, bro? Like, you watch a video, like right now it's, let's say, 8 minutes, and you spent 8 minutes of your time. And what are most people gonna do after watching this video? They're gonna watch another one. They're gonna consume more content. So basically, this video had no value for them. And bro, like, that's what you need to understand. If you don't take action after watching this video or any other video, you honestly won't change. Like, you will not change if you don't take action. If you don't take action right now, right after watching this video, you just won't improve. You just won't change. Honestly, most people don't take action, but bro, like right here, you should be that retard monkey that just take action when his role model, when someone he is inspired by, like his mentor, tells him, go to the gym 4 times per week. You better fucking go to the gym 4 times per week. When he tells you to journal, you better fucking journal. If you want to change your life, that's what you should do. Because your mentor tells you to do so. When he tells you that the most important part that you should do is something, then you should better fucking do it. Yet most people don't, because it's difficult, because it's easier to just consume content. And bro, like you understand, there will be some people that will actually take action after watching this video. Do you understand that there will actually be people that are disciplined, that are not losers, that are retard monkeys that will take action, but you don't, bro? Like, what the fuck? You should also you should say to yourself, fuck me, bro. There is someone who is gonna take action. There is someone that's my fucking competition. I should outcompete him. I should be better than him. I want to be the best, right? So if you want to be the best, then after watching this video, you're just gonna take action. So in this video, it's finding your role model that you're gonna learn from. So ideally that's gonna be me. But okay, I have like 12 videos. So it's understandable, okay? Like I'm 16, whatever. Find a role model. Then stick to routine. I recommend dopamine detox because that's what I did. And the next upcoming videos, you're gonna learn it. So if you want to take action but you genuinely don't know what to do, okay, like watch watch this video to be more grateful. That's like the most important habit in the dopamine detox, or what I think that caused me the biggest transformation. So go and watch that video. If you have something to do, so let's say you know that you're supposed to go to the gym. When you have something you're procrastinating on for the last few days or few hours, then go and do that right after watching this video. When you already know something about self-improvement, then sure, make your own dopamine detox routine. By the way, my routine looks like this. And if you want, you can take some inspiration from it. But bro, the most important part is really taking action and just not being a pussy. Take action, be a retard if needed. Honestly, it's better to be a retard who takes action instead of the guy who overthinks about meditating for half a year. Like, you are a loser, do you understand that? If you overthink about meditating for 6 months, you're a loser, you're a bitch. And you should be ashamed of yourself. Take action immediately, as soon as possible. Be quick, okay? Successful people do shit fast. By the way, if you want, you can book a free 1-hour call with me. We can talk about dopamine detox. We can talk about anything that you want. It's free, bro. It's literally fucking free. You give me experience, I give you knowledge. It's a win-win for both of us. So just do it, bro. First link in the description, okay? Take care.